Hello everyone, today we have a 2022 Honda Odyssey EX-L with front wheel drive. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, and any of the LEDs on this vehicle that appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing us that disco party. So they look absolutely solid to the human eye. You see that it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels, and a sunroof. Go ahead and pop this. Has power liftgate, it has power side doors. There's a sneak peek of the interior with a black leather interior, and you see that you do have a lot of stowage space. Okay, and we'll take a tour of the interior. These side doors are also power. See that you do have two USB ports back here. And there's your captain's chairs, back seat. Everything's super clean. And there's your sunroof. And here's a shot of the VIN right here. I will upload some still photos as well. See, it does have two driver presets. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 2,594 miles on this vehicle. You do have paddle shifters, and those come in super handy in Utah for sure. But you also have your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, and cruise control, stereo controls. And then here's your push button start. You see that it does have heated front seats. And your automatic start stop, your snow and econ. And as you come down here, you've got additional stowage and USB port, 12-volt outlet, cup holders. And here's your key fob, and you see that it does have a remote start. Here's your auxiliary port and another USB port down in here. A lockable glove compartment. And we're going to come up here, and there's your sunroof, but we're going to close that so you can see the infotainment center better. And the sunglasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the folks in the back seats. And as you come down here, okay, so we do have the stereo, which has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, and it is equipped with Android Auto and Apple Carplay, so if you wanted to use those apps for navigation or something like that. Once again, if this appears to be flickering at all, it doesn't do that to the human eye. And there's your auxiliary USB system updates, and there's your Honda link. Okay, and as we close out of that, we'll go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. Okay, and that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front that affected from the front driver quarter panel to the passenger front quarter panel. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.